Hey, look, it's Gareth and Janet. Oh, and it's hot and steamy. We are getting off the ship today in Puerto Quetzal, Guatemala, or Quetzal. Janet got ahead of me there. She didn't hear me calling her while I cleaned off the lenses. But like I say, we're on the Grand Princess. And there's not much right here at the port. There's this little place here, which we're going to explore. There's a town about 10 minutes from here drive, an hour walk. And I don't think we're going to head into it. So, I guess this is the port gates. And this is the terminal building. And that's the Jaguar. And that's the map. And this is the help. Information desk, right? And I guess here's where they scan your medallions. So here's a little bar. Let me go over here. Oh, there's people posing. So that's Antigua, or Antigua. That's where most of the tours go to. It's an hour and a half from here though by bus. Maybe a little more. Stall. Slow down. Oh, there's a bathroom. I guess the girls was on the other side. I didn't see it. It's nice and shady here, as you can see. People are protecting this little tree so it has a chance to grow. And this is what chocolate looks like. And that's also what chocolate looks like. Ah, I'm fine. Do I want to have some?
I have coffee from Guatemala and hot chocolate.
Oh, I don't want anything. Thanks. Another one rides the bus. T-shirts. Those shirts. Two by $5? Two for $5 maybe? Oh, look at these. How colorful. Don't know what I'd do with them. Look, stuffed whales. And parrots. Parrot, 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 parrot. So be careful. More coffee, but no donuts. These right here.
Hello. Something special?
Postcards. So it's quite extensive here, although, you know, it is just a tourist place. More tops. not for. Guatemala license plate. Central America. Oh, look at the wood carving. Those are like puzzles or secret boxes. Are those flutes?
Yeah.
Is it wood or plastic? When you picked it up, it sounded like plastic.
It's the bonds.
Do you think they'll let us bring those on the ship?
Gracias.
Jaguar. From down there, Janet actually bought a bracelet for $5, which I guess started at 10. 15, she says. And it looks like more bathrooms. And yeah, more place. More shopping. And then I think that's the exit up there. Of course, I've only walked about 10-15 minutes and I got sweat dripping down my face. That's how humid it is. Hi. Oh. Well, this is a huge place.
All these people, we've all been background checked and everything to be able to
Go
work
there
here.
for a couple of hours and then come back.
But there's no taxis waiting? No, nothing.
This was
Guess you'd have to arrange it. This guy acts like he knows what he's doing.
tights were
And-
Like he runs.
to get into
Runs.
Puerto Chiapas.
Hola.
So they switched in here.
Cuántas.
Yeah, you were pulling too much water.
Okay, sir. Hey, remember. Okay, Jason. Turn it up.
Hi. People sleeping over there. To ship restrooms.
¿En dónde quedaré? Voy a seguirme dando. Buy something. Shots.
Oh, it's a shopper's paradise, right? Chickens.
Something. Hola.
Hola. Monkeys. Baby monkeys. Just goes on and on. So over here you have the big letter saying Guatemala. Not Puerto Quetzal though. But it'll do. Oh, on this side though it says Guatemala. One more spin through. Oh, this is unstable. Not even sure what it's here for. The runway, I guess. The big letters. Watch out for that. So we bought some trinkets. I think it cost me $20 or $15.
No. 15.
Yeah. It's air conditioned. those are real bones? No. But these are real tools.
And when she presented that,
That's jade.
all the clients in the mining world looked at her and said, Linda, you are a genius. Thank you so much. How they do?
They're good. It's the same guy for Fort Gates.
Some vehicles I bought in Hawaii, like about 2 years ago. And I can no longer take it in my hand.
Free Wi-Fi. Hey, wait. You see the similarity there?
Looks just like you.
Except I forgot my ear thing. Whoa! Forgot I had it up so far. So from Puerto Quetzal, Guatemala,